In a kingdom far away beneath the sky so blue, lived the Princess Kerala who wore no fancy shoe. She didn't like to dress up or play those pranks so mean. She was kind and gentle, but to others she was unseen. Her parents worries deeply, she not like the other girls. She doesn't want a tiara or glittery sparkling pearls. But Clara loved her garden where she would plant and play. She would play with the flower and hear so Barbie ring. One day in the kingdom, a witch came to town with a wife that was raspy and permanent prawn. She sought help from a dragon in the cave near a glen, a creature of great magic, feared by many men. But this dragon wasn't fierce, no, not in the least. He was a gentle and calm, like a songbird fish. His name was Tyran. And he loved to play. The witch approached the garden with the wicked plea. Come help me frighten folk to the highest degree. But the Darien shook his head. That's not my way. I would rather play every single day. The witch was frustrated and laid out the side. If you are not mean and scary, good are you why? Princess Clara heard the witch came to see what allied the kingdom and what would be. She was the dragon, kind-hearted and sweet. She felt the gentle nature in every beat. Oh dear Darian, she softly spoke. Would you like to switch place just as a joke? The dragon pondered and then smiled. A plan so clever yet so mild. Clara would live in his cave for a while, and Darian would wear the prince's smile. They switched their place as artists seemed. The princess in the cave, the dragon and dream. Clara loved the quiet and peace and the calm, while Darian's smile brought the places a balm. In the cave, Clara found her peace. With the nature beauty, her joy increased. In the place, Darian played a grace, bringing happiness to every face. The kingdom soon noticed the princess had changed. No more prank or tricks, her kindness unchanged. She would speak to people with gentle voice, making peace harmony her first choice. The witch to notice the new atmosphere and after kingdom without any fear. For the kindness and smile fills every and in each heart is found in place. Princess Kerala returned after some time to the place hall and its bell chimed. But the dragon too stayed in friends so dear. Together they brought joy everyone near. The kingdom thrived with love and smile. So the Clara and Darian had made them strong. They lived in happiness all their days, but they had chosen the gentle way. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. For more videos, visit our Facebook page and YouTube channel.